Welcome to the BookKeeper setup video. We are going to configure BookKeeper on all three VMs and get BookKeeper running. Okay, so first thing I'm doing here is starting up cluster SSH again, SSHing to all three servers, and becoming root on all three servers as well. All right. Now we're going to change directories into the Pulsar base directory. And now we're going to edit the BookKeeper config. So we need to add the Zookeeper servers that we created. We'll go ahead and put in all three servers. So it's using the Pulsar Training 01 names that we have in our host file, remember. So we're going to create our BookKeeper service file now, so we can use systemctl to manage BookKeeper. Copy and paste this service file in. It has a few extra items in here, just to make sure BookKeeper has access to has the ability to access additional files. So we're doing a daemon reload again because we've added a new service file. Go ahead and start BookKeeper. Now I did restart these nodes, or I did restart these VMs, so BookKeeper is running, but Zookeeper is not. So I'm going to run the sanity test, which is basically a test to see if BookKeeper is working, and it's going to fail. All right. So that's what a failure looks like. So simply because these BookKeeper and Zookeeper are not set to start on boot. So whenever we restart our VMs, we need to make sure we do a systemctl start. So we're doing a systemctl start Zookeeper now, and then we'll do a systemctl restart for BookKeeper. Just giving Zookeeper some time to start up right now, just maybe like 20 seconds before we start BookKeeper. Okay, BookKeeper's restarting. Again, just giving BookKeeper some time right now. Then we'll do another sanity test. Okay, so we're doing a sanity test. Okay, Bookie sanity test succeeded. There's another BookKeeper test that we're going to do. It's a little bit more thorough than Bookie sanity. Just to make sure BookKeeper is going as we expect. Okay, looks like BookKeeper's great.